Top 5 Best SDR Transceivers of 2025. In this video, we highlight the most advanced and reliable software-defined radios available this year. Whether you are a ham radio operator, shortwave listener, or QRP enthusiast, these top 5 SDR transceivers deliver excellent performance, portability, and value. Let's take a closer look at the best options for 2025. Number 1 is Xiegu G106C5W HF QRP SDR Transceiver Compact and Portable with SSB, CW, and AM modes plus WFM broadcast reception. Delivers 5W QRP performance for reliable shortwave communication and listening. Perfect for field operations, portable ham use, and beginner QRP enthusiasts. Number 2 is 8-band QRP SSB CW shortwave radio transceiver. This SDR transceiver covers multiple HF bands and supports SSB and CW modes. It comes with a handheld microphone and is perfect for portable field use or home stations. Its compact design and user-friendly operation make it an excellent choice for beginners and hobbyists. Number 3 is BS18815W HF SDR QRP Transceiver with mic. The BS188 delivers 15W output power with clear and stable HF performance. It uses SDR architecture for reliable audio quality and comes with a handheld microphone and charger. Perfect for both portable and home use, it is a solid option for amateur radio users. Number 4 is HanGeek USDR Plus 5W 8-band SDR HF QRP transceiver. This 5W SDR transceiver is lightweight and portable, supporting 8 HF bands with USB and LSB modes. It is an excellent choice for QRP operators and digital modes like FT8, providing a simple and efficient solution for field use. Number 5 is HAMGEEK MCHF version 0.6. 315W SDR HF QRP transceiver. This SDR transceiver supports SSB, CW, and AM modes along with VFO and split functions. Covering 0.5 to 30 MHz, it is compact yet powerful, making it ideal for serious ham radio enthusiasts who enjoy portable and field operations. These are the top 5 best SDR transceivers in 2025. Each one offers unique benefits for ham radio and QRP operators. Which one would you choose for your setup? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more ham radio gear reviews.